Hi, Boomer. That last video made you look like a naughty dog who didn't listen. Want to sit on my lap? I want to see you. I want to see you just playing. Here, let's go in the backyard. Let's go outside. Go play. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? It's a puppy. He loves to just play outside. Oh. Hey, Boomer. Can you roll over? Boomer. Oh, people are coming home. No time to listen. Hey, Boomer. Give me 5. Good boy. Boomer, roll over. Good boy. Did all your tricks. Good job. Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Now the neighbor kids are talking to you.